The name of this project is Casa delle Bottere, and it's a substantial family house in the Veneto, in northern Italy. Making these models is really important because it makes us physically see and feel the spaces, because you can see the natural light pouring in, you can see how the spaces work together and interconnect. Well, this is a smaller scale model which was produced early on in the design process. So we were looking basically at the form and the shape of the building and how it's set into the landscape. And then we've got a much larger scale model here which goes into much more detail, and it's when the design has been approved. What we've done is opened up the floor plan, so from east to west you get this very long dramatic circulation space that runs from the east of the building all the way through to the west. Then you get this north-south axis, which is the hub of the floor plan. This is the heart of the building, and it's got this very grand stone staircase. On the east side we've got the private quarters, so we've got bedrooms, we've got a dressing room, and we've got a private library. On the south side of the building you get this very long dramatic portico which runs the whole length of the building. It provides shade from the summer sun and it protects the building from overheating. On the west side of the building you've got this sunken courtyard which allows light into some of the basement spaces. This courtyard also allows circulation up onto the main terrace via these courtyard steps, which is where we have the swimming pool. The working of the house, all the services, the electrical cupboards, they're all set below. So really the ground floor is liberated from all of those functional requirements, and you get almost pure spaces for living on the ground floor. It's almost as though it's a monolithic block and you're carving out the spaces inside. And so the walls feel very solid, and the negative spaces, the actual spaces of the rooms, are expressed as well. So you get this solid and void expression of the internal spaces. You know, these are all things that make a Pawson project.